It's very hard to get your desk cleaned. But here's the deal. I made a daytime, season, year system in Godot that will be the only one you need. It includes day changes, shadows, seasons, calendars, and everything. If you want to skip the video and check out the asset, the link is down below. If you want to know how I made it and how to use it properly, keep watching. Let's get started. I was just kidding. A lot of my viewers are not subscribers, so it will help me a lot to subscribe. We're almost at 1,000, and YouTube start paying people at 1,000. Not really, there is other requirement, but yeah, let's just keep watching. So for this system, I decided to create a normal day cycle. Basically, the day start, minutes advance, hour advance, season advance, years advance. And I decided to use a while loop so I can capture it with any speed I want, because when I use an if statement, it did not register when the speed was too high. Like when I made the days very short, like 1 second a day, the system could not capture it. But then when I moved to using a while loop, it managed to capture it. Some people would stop there, but I wanted my system to be like an overall system where you just one-stop shopping, no more system for day cycle. So I decided to add a different color of the day. You know how at night it's dark and then in the morning it's a little bit like brighter, and then you have your normal colors, and then at like dusk we call it, it's starting to become a little bit more darker. So I did that. To do that, I used a canvas module and I write the code to see what time of the hour the sunrise will be, so you can decide that. What time is noon, because noon is not necessarily the middle point of the day, and then what time is sunset, so you can decide on the dusk hour on that. And I also added another feature where every season the color hue will be different, so you can set different color for your spring, different for your summer, different for your winter, different for your fall. So now we got the day colors done and we got the time system done. What do we need next? Shadows, because shadows are important. Alright, you might think I can use just the normal shadows in Godot, but here's the problem. When you use your normal shadow with the directional light, the shadows just become very long and endless, and that's not what we want. So I decided to not make my own. I decided to use this one. This one was made by Jess Hammer. She's amazing. Her system works really well. So I decided to adopt it, and I'm giving her full credit for that. So the way I use her system, I made the shadow length change based on the day, and the shadow position or angle as well change through the day. And you might think I will stop there. No, I did not stop there. I used it also in a different way. You see, in this system you need to draw a polygon in the area you want to show the shadow, and the area usually doesn't change inside, it's just a fixed polygon. So I decided to make the area follow the player, basically by following the camera. But here the other issue, what if you zoomed in or zoomed out? The polygon wouldn't change side. So I wrote another code to make the polygon size change based on the camera zoom in and the camera zoom out. What do you think about that approach? Do you have a different idea? You can leave it down in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like on your way down there. So, and to make this system easy for anyone to use, I made it all self-built in and everything is compacted together. So you only need to add the outdoor cam node, and all the other system are just gonna be dumped with it. And I wrote the code very cleverly. I made it into a tool, and I made it to be called as soon as you add the tool to your scene. It will auto-generate the shadow polygon, and it will auto-generate the canvas module. And now, how do you use this tool? After you add it in your add-on, go to your project setting, plugins, and make sure it's enabled. It will auto drop the day cycle into your global file, so the file will be called automatically, and then you will be ready to use it. So now, how can you use it? There is a signal that is very useful, the signal that tell you anytime a day, minute, season, year advance. You can use that to do different things. For example, I made this time UI with it, which guess what? It's also included in the add-on, so you don't have to build it yourself. You can just import it from the node and it has everything built in. And the cool thing about it, you can modify it without any hassle because it's a normal scene. Change the color, change the background, change the font, change everything. The only thing you want to do to keep the system working on this one is just don't change the uniqueness of the time and the date, and everything else you can play around with. And if you want to modify the code, hey, go for it, you can do that. Alright, back on how you can actually use it. So just call the signal and make it do anything. And let's say you went indoor and you want the time to freeze, or someone opened the menu and you want the time to freeze. You don't have to freeze the whole physics of the game. You can just call the freeze function, or the freeze variable in this case really, and then just make it to true or false. Freeze true will freeze the game. True false, freeze false will unfreeze the game. So that's really it. I love making plugin for Godot because I know it helps people and people can use it for their game. And yes, I built this plugin for my game and I'm sharing it with you so you can benefit from it. If you have any other ideas for plugins or something you want to see happen in Godot, comment down below. I would love to give it a shot and try to build it. If you made it this far, you're great, you're awesome. I'm trying to hit 1,000 before the end of this year, so please subscribe, like the video, share it with a friend, leave me a comment, encouragement or anything, or even like just say what we did potato salad before we said onion soup. Let's say onion soup. Thank you everyone.